This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Google Sheets. So I'm right here on the Apple App Store, and you can see the URL right here. It's kind of a mouthful, so I'll put both of the URLs here that I mention in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on those links and wind up here. So once you click on the link, you'll turn up on the Apple App Store. Now this is the version for iPhone. If you click right here, there's obviously the iPad version, the Mac version, and so on and so forth, depending on what flavor you want, and you can download from there. There is also, if we jump on over here to Google Play, we can also install directly from here. So here's the URL for Google Play. I will of course include that in the video description just below this video. So two different options. I've covered the bases for well, anything depending on whether you're Windows or Mac, and you have the links just below this video. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Google Sheets helpful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.